Ama-news outlets amaningi akhuluma kakhulu isilungu. Ngizokutholela-ke isilungu engizosikhuluma esikhulu lesi sento ebhalwe phansi, kodwa kuningi engizokusho ngesiZulu and ngiyazi ukuthi nonke lapha nivamisile ukuyithatha inkulumo zami nihambe niyoyidokotela-ke ngesilungu senu. So-ke okunye ngizokusho ngesiZulu, kodwa futhi i-media statement yami izoba available kuwo wonke umuntu, senzela ukuthi singachithi isikhathi sifunde into enisazophinde nibe nayo, nihambe niyoyihlaziya bese niyabona ukuthi ngenzani. Ngiyacela kukwedlulisa okukhulu ukubonga kini nonke abafowethu be-media ngokuthi nibe khona namhlanje. Ngicele ngesikhathi esifishane kakhulu, siyabonga ukuthi nisihloniphe. Kukhona abantu abadala phakathi kwethu, kukhona odadewethu, kukhona insizwa, kukhona umuntu
ngithuna umsindo phela.
Insizwa Nomsindo Development Foundation ineminyaka ewu-12. Ineminyaka ewu-12. Abanye bayayibuza ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi uphakele umthakathi isikhathi eside kangaka kungaqami umsebenzi awenzayo. Abakwazi ukuqaphela bazobona ukuthi kulula kangakanani ukuthi insizwa zimlalele mina. It's because of that experience yokuthi kade yaba khona insizwa Nomsindo Development Foundation and ibivele isebenza, kodwa asikaze sibize i-media. Futhi noma nibona sikulama mashe sisuke sikuwo, abanye baze bekhathazeke nje ngoba baye bebona ukuthi angithanda ukukhuluma ne-media. Mina ngumuntu othanda ukusebenza, ingakho kwabalula kimi ukuthi ngisukume nje ngithi kwanongoma umuntu ofika kasadingeki ongenawo amaphepha aqondile. So-ke ingakho-ke mhlawumbe kulabo abanalowo mbuzo, isizathu ukuthi hayi ukuthi angimthandi, ngimhlonipha kakhulu, nike nibone ngimlwela njengokulwela la, kodwa angithandi ukukhuluma kakhulu. Mina ngithanda ngathi kungathinta izinto, ingakho nohulumeni ngimcela kanjalo. So the core function of Insizwa Nomsindo Development Foundation, we as Insizwa Nomsindo Development Foundations exist to restore moral fabric in South Africa. For far too long, our nation has suffered moral degeneration marked by the systematic emasculation of men. We are committed to bringing back the dignity, responsibility, and strength of South African men, because a nation cannot rise when its fathers are brought to the law. It is a myth that emasculation of black men, it is no myth that emasculation of men in South Africa is deeply rooted in the historical and economic legacies of colonial and apartheid. The politicians and politics have failed to end this systematic oppression. The migrant labor system and modern economic marginalization stripped black men of the traditional roles and providers of families' heads, and it's continued to happen to this day. I'm so sorry, the consistent economic inequality and high unemployment rates prevent many black men from achieving financial independence, and once that happens, a man cannot fulfill their role as providers. Sizoyedlulisa lesi statement esibhalwe ngesilungu, kodwa into enkulu esizama ukuyenza la thina njenge-Insizwa Nomsindo Development Foundation since saqala ukuba khona, umsebenzi omkhulu esawubona unesidingo esikhulu sokuthi uma kufika ipolitiki, into eyenzeka abantu besilisa baphucwa amandla, hayi amandla okudala, hayi amandla okushaya, hayi amandla okubulala, kodwa baphuca amandla omqondo okuzazi ukuthi bona bangamadoda kufanele kube khona into abayimelayo. Ingakho ubona ama-politicians kulula ukuthi avuka akhulume noma yini ezweni lamadoda, akhulume maqeda angayenzi leyo nto, aphinde abuye njengoba kuzoza inketho, aphinde futhi akhulume into efanayo eyikhuluma phezu kwamadoda, nokuyinto engavumelekile leyo. Ubona-ke ama-politicians amaningi isikhathi esiningi uwathola ekwazi ukuthi afike emakhaya umnumzane ekhona, afike ama-politician abiza ingane, akhankasa ingane, ekhona ubaba wekhaya, aqale enganeni akhulume nengane aze aqede ngento afisa ukuthi yenzeke endaweni. izinto zonke lezo ke sifisa ukuthi uma sifuna ukulekelela izwe ake kuqale kubuyiswe isithunzi samadoda nawo amadoda semukele isithunzi sawo masibuya asijabulele bese sisebenzisa kahle ngizonenzela isibonelo nje kunenhlangano okuthiwa iMarch and March eqala udadewethu uMangobese ngonyaka ophelele ngo-24 May 2025 wathi mangabe imemezela lenhlangano kade ehlala ekhuluma emsakazweni kodwa wathi mayeqala ezophumela emgwaqweni ngenxa thina yokwazi itheku ukuthi itheku linjani sathatha isinqumo thina sokuthi sizomeseka uMangobese ngoba akukwazi ukuthi umuntu wesifazane angathi ekhuluma ngokuthi kuntshontshwe izingane ethi ekhuluma ngokuthi kubulawa abantu ethi ekhuluma ngokuthi amaphoyisa anobugebengu angene ebugebengwini ayantshontsha ahlangane nezigebengu kubulawa abantu bese sithi thina njengamadoda kwaZulu sizomiyeka lo muntu wesifazane ahambe yedwa ayolwa leyo mpilo leyo sasuka eZululand sashayela ama-hour u4 no-half sizokweseka uMangobese siyinsizwa nomnsizwa Development Foundation. So yingakho ke kuze kube namhlanje nibona noma kuthiwa khona into ayenzayo siyayihlanganisa thina eceleni sizinsizwa sinikele ngakho konke sinakho ukuthi sizomeseka senze isiqiniseko sokuthi iyanda nobukayo nofuna ukuganga naye angakwazi ukuganga naye. Enye into ofuna ukuthi iphele emadodeni ukuthi amadoda afuneka ayeke ukufuna ukunconywa. Amadoda must stop wanting to be praised for doing what a man is supposed to do. A man is never praised, must not be praised for doing what he's supposed to do because he's a man. Isibonelo ukuba ubaba kuwumsebenzi wakho njengendoda. Asikho isidingo sokuthi uma uthengela ingane yakhe icathulo ebese ufuna umama weingane zakho noma unkosikazi wakho ukuthi ababaze leyo nto ayibabaze kuze kungalalwa la ekhaya ngoba nakho namhlanje wena uthenga icathulo zengane. Indoda kumele iyenze into elungile. Nibuke nibheke mina ngiyagxekwa kakhulu mina abaningi bayibuza ukuthi uphakele umthathu survive kanjani njengoba egxekwa kanje. Kuwumsebenzi wabantu ukugxeka indoda. Kuwumsebenzi nje wabantu ukugxeka indoda. Indoda kufanele ihlale igxekwa even abaholi ufuna bekwejwayele lokho. Indoda kufanele ihlale igxekwa ngoba ukugxekwa kwendoda kuyikhumbuza ukuthi akufanele yenze into engalungile. Yingakho namhlanje sinabantu abafuna beethe sebenza ezikhansela esebenze umeya athi angahamba yosiza abantu abashelwe izindlu noma ababulawelwe abathathelwe izindlu ithathwa izikhukhula abesefuna kube khona abantu abazomncoma bemncomele lokho. Uyahola lo muntu uholela ukuthi abe umeya, uyahola uholela ukuthi abheke lo mphakathi, uyahola uholela ukuthi alungiselele lo mphakathi izinto. Uma sekwenzile lokho ngaphezulu komholo ufuna ukunconywa. Sifuna ukubuyisa lokho ke singamadoda ukuthi cha isidingo sokuthi sinconyelwe izinto ofanele sizenze ayifanele. Lapha kwaZulu ngisho kuhlatshiwe umuntu wesifazane akasebenzi. Uma kunomsebenzi kunomcimbi othile abantu abesifazane bambatha amatshalo behlale lapha emsamo sihambe siyokhetha inyama ezinhle enkomeni. Siyokhetha inyama ezinhle enkomeni sikhetha insonyama, sikhetha ingqeki, sikhetha imbombosi, siyonikeza abantu besifazane behleli epheka amadoda lapha. Zonke lezi inyama ezinhle isibindi kuhamba kuyonikezwa abantu besifazane balethela ukudla kupheka amadoda lapha elangeni, kupheka amadoda lapha phandle. Kwenzekani emadodeni ilanga malishona? Amadoda ahamba ayohlala esibayeni, adla inhloko, adla amanqine enkomo. Ngoba that's how much we value our women as amadoda. And as Insizwa Nomnsizwa Development Foundation, that's what we stand for and we want to bring that back because yona into ezobuyisa yonke lokhu kuthula okugcwele emakhaya and eliminate this GBV. So that is just an introduction yokuthi Insizwa Nomnsizwa imeleni and indala ibivele iwenza lo msebenzi, and that is why it is very easy for me to go to Joburg without knowing amadoda akhona, but makune march ngifike lawo madoda u10,000 ngikwazi ukwa control. That is why mangiya kuGompo eEastern Cape, that is why masizoya eNorthern Cape naseWestern Cape sizofike sihlangane namadoda sisebenzise the same spiritual values yokuthi sisiza amadoda ukuthi abuyele endaweni yawo kungabi nzima amadoda amahlangene ukuthi alalele. Siyadinga wemadoda seSouth Africa namadoda kwaZulu kakhulukazi ukuthi sibe umkhombandlela einganeni ezincane zabafana. Ingakho namanje sinohlelo olubizwa ngokuthi ibhunga Boys Bootcamp eqhubekayo njengamanje okuyiyona ezothi ukuthatha isikhathi sami esingamasonto amabili ngingabonakala emphakathini ngoba ngiyohlala nalezi izingane entabeni sikhumbuza ukuthi singobaba bazo. Enye yezinto enkulu okufanele zizazi ukuthi ukuba indoda akubizi imali futhi akufanele uma uyindoda uthengelwe ukuthi wenze into okufanele uyenze njengendoda. So ke sizosukuma singamadoda silekelele njengoba sisukumile salekelela uMangobese nalokhu sifuna ukubulale nalomoya ukuthi ngeke ngihlanganisa amadoda awu 257,000 ngithi ngizokweseka uMangobese ebese mase ngifikile kuthiwa ngisameseka uMangobese. Ngeke ngihlanganise amadoda kusukela ngaqala ngiwahlanganisa mahala ngingawakhokhela imali ngingenzi lutho ebese ngithi mase ngifikile ngeke ngisakwenza lokho. Angeke sikwazi ukukhuluma singamadoda la eSouth Africa sithi abantu besifazane siyabeseka bese kuthi mase kukhona into eqala ungumuntu wesifazane bese sithi ngeyakhe kuze kusho wona amadoda amanye athi musana ukuphazamisa uMangobese entweni yakhe kodwa thina seseka yena lo Mangobese. Uyabona abantu kwabanomoya omubi bagcwele emhlabeni bahlale bekhona into engayikhulekela mina ukuthi yena uMangobese qho angawemukeli lo moya kwabantu abafuna ukumkhandela into yakhe ihlala incane ingakhulu ngoba nakho bebona ukuthi amadoda ayasondela azomeseka. Akukho lapho esake safika khona entweni ephathelene noMangobese njengensizwa nomnsizwa safike sathi uMangobese akabuye eceleni sekuyithi abanikazi bento izithombe ziningi ziyinqwaba sikhombisa ukuthi sihamba naye simbambe ngesandla simshayela uhlobo. In some instances we even refuse interviews. In some instances we even refuse to continue working uMangobese engekho. There's evidence in these phones where la isasisho khona ukuthi njengoba sila sibizo uMangobese sizokweseka yena. Njengamadoda we can't contradict ourselves and say we want to empower women and say we want to support women, and then when they initiate programs like March and March, and then as men we don't come and support. And for those that are worried that maybe there is some division between us and A March and March, there is no division. A March and March is a program of Usisi Mangobese. We support it fully with everything, and then Insizwa Nonsizwa have been there. And A March and March is not the first civic organization to fight the illegal foreigners. There was Put South Africa First, and people infiltrated it. Politicians infiltrated Put South Africa First, and today it's irrelevant because of allowing these rogue elements, the politicians and people who have other ambitions beside helping the country. Itudula, Operation Tudula nayo indala kakhulu kuneMarch and March, and it has done significant work in South Africa, and we can't be contradicting ourselves city sifuna abantu behlangane and we fail to recognize each other when we are supporting each other. So siyacela kubantu base South Africa ukuthi bangasebenzisi umoya omubi nomoya wokwehlukanisana lo okhandwa ipolitiki. Ingakho kungafanele lama civic organization alidwe abantu abanama ambitions epolitiki. Akufanele mangabe nje uleader ungumholi noma uyingxenye yeMarch and March ubese uba nama political aspirations, because siyazi ukuthi lapha kuma organizations ethu abantu asebephethe lama march kwezinye indawo abantu abafuna ukuba ngamakhansela. Yibo ke laba bathi mabebuka uphakela umthakathi besaba ukuthi mhlawumbe uphakela umthakathi ufuna lento nami engiyifunayo, ebese ethi umuntu uphakela umthakathi ufuna ukuthatha into kaMangobese kanti uzama ukuthi uMangobese angabi nabantu abaningi ukuze yena ezothola lento ayifunayo. Mina ngistrong weingane zakwethu, ngifuna nazo eintatheli la eSouth Africa bambalwa abantu abastrong njengami. Ngi-strong physically, ngi-strong emotionally, ngi-strong spiritually, ngi-strong nje ngayo yonke nje, ayikho into enginga-strong ngayo. Ngisho ungakhuluma into embi kangakanani, there is nothing anyone in this world, in the entire universe, nobody can say anything that can, demoralize me. You can't demoralize me, because I was held with a hand every day for 21 years, from 0 years to 21 years. I was held, ngangibanjwe ngesandla, ngitshelwa impilo, ngitshelwa umlando, ngitshelwa yonke into, ngitshelwa ubudoda, ngifundisa ukuthi buyini ubudoda bumelana. Abaningi bayamangala la. uyabona kade ngithethiswa yenye indoda lapha ithi uyabona ke Phakela lento yakho lena ke manje yokuthi uhamba uqimbile lapha abafazi bethu sebethi ke manje indoda kufanele ibe nje uyabona ube kungamanqoko kodwa uyaunderstand ukuthi kuhamba kuze kufike ezingeni lakho nabantu besifazane ngenxa yokwenza kahle indoda phambi kwabantu abantu besifazane bavukelwa yithemba lokuthi kanti amadoda khona indoda into kufanele ibe kanje ingakho ke thina sikulwela ukuthi amadoda wabuyelwe yithemba awabuyelwe ukuzethemba ayithande abuye kube ubuqotho ubenza abantu bekubona ubuqotho ubenze baningi abantu abangikhulisile mina la engingababiza ngamagama abadumile abakhona abadala baseParliament abakade beyingxenye impilo yami ngikhula abazi kahle ukuthi kusukela ngina 7 years mangivele nginje angishintshi so laba baphuma umkhankaso ukuzama ukuthi bengingcolise noma bezama ukungiqeda amandla akwenzeki kalula ngoba yikho into ongayicinga ngame engcolile uyithola angiyiphili impilo engcolile hayi ukuthi ngiyayifihla anginayo impilo engcolile mina akukho ngisho yedwa umuntu wesifazane la emhlabeni ongaphumela obala athi mina njengoba ngikhona ngahlukunyezwa ukuphakela umthakathi yimi ngilwela abantu besifazane lokhu ngazalwa ngilela abantu besifazane ngaka ngalwa nendoda endala ifuna ukushaya udadewethu imeshela ngenkani endala yaze ngikhiphela uceleme ngathi lutho angindawo udadewethu ngoba ngangifundiswe ngimncane ukuthi udadewenu uyithemba lakhe usisi wakho kuyiphatha kahle kwakhe kulele kutheni wena njengensizwa emphakathini hlonipheka ukuze insizwa noma iyeshela udadewenu imeshele yazi ukuthi lengane le inabafowabo lengane angikwazi ukushela lengane ngenhloso yokufuna ukuyiphapaza ilokho kufanele sikubuyise sizinsizwa ilokho kufanele sikubuyise so laba bazama ukona umsebenzi ongake sesiwenzile ngeke kwenzeke insizwa nokusizwa whether akhona amanye ama-civic organization noma ngaba wekho insizwa nokusizwa lokho kufanele achieve in South Africa izoku-achieve South Africa ngoba we are very consistent ayikho i-political party noma i-politician esike yafika kithi ngasese yakhuluma nathi isitshela ukuthi asiyeke ukuthi asenze ukuthi esitshela ukuthi asiyeke awukho umhlangano esifihlayo uma ngabe sihlangane nomuntu ngoba sisuke senzela lokho ukuthi kungabi bikho izinto abantu abazoyisola kodwa labo abafundiswe ukuthi yonke into emhlabeni yenziwa ngemali we are here to teach them a new lesson wonke umuntu owazi ukuthi kuyantshontshwa emhlabeni wonke umuntu owazi ukuthi kuyathengwana emhlabeni insizwa nokusizwa izo-redefine i-honesty kubantu abasebenzela umphakathi you can't say this is a hand and when you turn it the other way and then ubusuthi akusisona isandla leso so-ke besithi asendlalele nje bafowethu siyafisa abantu besifazane e-South Africa bengaphatheki kabi ukuthi mhlambe sesithatha imisebenzi yabo noma senzani a wise woman will always know ukuthi uNkulunkulu always put men phambili ukuthi bavikele abantu besifazane manje ke ipolitiki ifundisa abantu besifazane ukuthi bangaphezulu kwamadoda yikho ke ninama-ex angaka nje yikho nje ninenqwaba yama-ex umuntu azabe proud akubaleni kune-ex yami la kune-ex yami la ngoba Mafuso nje uyi-ex somewhere Mafuso. So our media statement is a call for a new South African